What if your entire marketing department could run from one chat window? If you're trying to figure out how to use ChatGPT for small business marketing, this is the step-by-step system most tutorials never show you. Not just how to write posts, but how to build a strategy, multiply content, and improve conversions using AI. And once you see this framework, you'll never go back to random prompting again. So let's build it step by step. The reason most people fail with ChatGPT isn't the tool, it's how they start. They open a new chat and immediately ask it to create something. That's backwards. If you want ChatGPT to work like a marketing department, you have to onboard it like one.
Let's start with phase 1. Most people skip this step, but this step separates casual users from strategic users. Before you create content, you need to give ChatGPT context. Open a fresh chat and write this prompt. I am hiring you as my chief marketing officer. Before you perform a single task, you must interview me. Ask me 10 deep dive questions about my ideal customer's silent fears, my unique selling proposition, my price point, and my specific brand voice. Do not give me advice or content until I have answered these questions.
Once you answer these, the AI stops guessing. It's no longer pulling from the general internet. It's operating from your specific business DNA. This does two things. It upgrades output quality dramatically and upgrades ChatGPT from an intern to a chief marketing officer.
Let's move to phase 2, Harry. The second pillar of the operating system is the voice command. If you're tired of the AI using words like delve, unlock, or vibrant, you need to hard code your style into the system. Go to your custom instructions and set these as permanent rules. 1. Constraint. Never use corporate jargon or AI cliches. 2. Style. Write at a 9th grade reading level. Use short, punchy sentences. 3. Perspective. Speak as an expert peer, not a salesperson. By doing this, you aren't customizing every chat, you are building a permanent filter. Every email, post, and ad it generates from now on will already have your human thumbprint on it.
This is where things start getting interesting. Phase 3, the omni-channel multiplier. This is where you save 20 hours a week. Go to ChatGPT and follow these steps. Step 1. Please provide 20 content ideas that address my audience's biggest pain points. Step 2. Pick one of the ideas ChatGPT generated and ask it to turn it into a structured outline with a hook, key insight, example, and call to action. Step 3. Rewrite this in a conversational tone suitable for small business owners. Step 4. Multiply this content for other platforms and formats. For example, extract the 3 strongest hooks from this text. Turn hook 1 into a LinkedIn post, hook 2 into a 60-second TikTok script, and hook 3 into a weekly newsletter blast. Are you excited yet?
You've just done a week's worth of marketing in 90 seconds. This is what I call the digital assembly line. You are the strategist and AI is the production floor. And the moment you start thinking this way, marketing stops feeling overwhelming. Should we keep going, Harry?
Oh yes. Let's move to phase 4, the brutal audit. Let's be honest, marketing is useless if it doesn't sell. Take your website or sales funnel copy, paste in ChatGPT and say, be a brutal conversion expert. Tell me 3 reasons a customer would leave this page without buying. And rewrite my call to action to be irresistible. This isn't just content creation. This is revenue optimization. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Good. It means you are learning something new. You can do this.
That's right, Harry. Let's move to phase 5. The prompt expert loop. This is the best way to use AI. Let AI write the prompts for you. Use the meta prompt strategy. Now you aren't struggling to find the right words. The machine is building its own instructions. That's how strategists work. By the way, all of these prompts will be available for you for free. Go to the description of this video and copy the free prompts, or download our free power pack for small businesses and entrepreneurs following the link in the description.
If this video helped you see ChatGPT differently, subscribe to our channel. Every week, we will break down simple ways to use AI to grow your business without any technical knowledge. And if you've already used ChatGPT in your marketing, drop a comment below and tell us what worked. Don't forget to download the free resources and let's thrive with AI together.